Hello everybody, so just quickly for those who find my video without going through my website, my name is Gilles Urtubise and my scientific or self-taught and multidisciplinary scientist name and inventor name is Gilles Lauzon Urtubise, and I am the owner and the founder of the first human multi-intelligence.com. So the title of this video is How did our galaxy, the Milky Way, originate? Our galaxy of the Milky Way has at its center and since its birth a supermassive black celestial sphere, which is the most massive and the most powerful. Accordingly, what is the possible mass of our supermassive black celestial sphere, which is the most massive and powerful in our galaxy? The answer to this question is like to logically represent a mass that is considerable. Also according to the excerpt from the text excerpt from the article Black Hole 4 of 4, which are actually black celestial spheres of all size, ranging from dwarf to giants. And these texts are published on my website, firsthumanmultiintelligence.com, and which are, the extract is started by 17.22. On the other hand, according to the current knowledge and accepted by scientific community, the mass of the solar system is 1.0014 mole. So, which is the mass of our sun. So as a mass for the sun that is as high as 99.86% compared to the rest of the solar system. Compared to the solar system, which is 100% then. Regarding the mass of our galaxy, of the Milky Way and the supermassive black hole at its center, and according to these excerpts from the article Voie lactée, from the French Wikipedia. So in French, Milky Way is Voie lactée, so which is published on French Wikipedia and which contains the last modification of February 12 to 2022. And in this article, Size and Mass, the Milky Way is the second largest galaxy in the local group, behind the Andromeda galaxy. The diameter of its disk is most often estimated between 100,000 and 120,000 light years. After studying spectroscopic data from LAMOST, so this is right, the abbreviation of this organization is LAMOST, and to the other, which is SDSS, scientists indicate that its diameter can reach 200 light years, although the number of stars beyond 120,000 light years is very small. Thickness of the galaxy average is 1,000 light years. For comparison, is the solar system to the orbit of Neptune, where the size of a 25 millimeters point, the Milky Way would be the size of the United States. Another phrase, the unicorn rings, a filament of stars that circle the Milky Way, as its own undulates above and below the galactic plane may belongs to galaxy. If so, the diameter of the galaxy would rather be 150 to 180,000 light years. So, another paragraph, the estimate of the mass of the Milky Way varies. So, the estimate of the entire mass of the Milky Way varies according to the method and the data used. The lowest value is 5.8 multiplied by 10 at 11. So it's some things like 580 billion solar masses. So significantly less than the Andromeda galaxy. Then, so another subject, galaxy center. The galaxy center includes an intense radio source called Sagittarius A, discovered in 1974, with a diameter of 45 million kilometers. In October 2018, the European Southern Observatory, so it was ESO, announced that the radio source includes a supermassive black hole, which of course it's a black celestial sphere, supermassive. It will weigh between 4.1 and 4.5 million times the solar mass. Regarding its mass, which is estimated for the entire galaxy of the Milky Way, regarding its mass, which is estimated at 580 billion solar mass, it seemed to be acceptable for me, considering the fact that these objects are considerably distant from us and that they represent considerable difficulty to become overcome in order to carry out a fairer calculation. In addition, and in what follow, there are hypotheses, elements, potential explanation, and potential suggestion which try to be the best to be put forward so far, and which are so at the number 17.22.1 by hypothesis regarding the mass of the supermassive black hole is actually a supermassive black celestial sphere. It is estimated between 4.1 and 4.5 million solar mass. And by hypothesis, it is false for me for several reasons, and among others, the following. So, of course, it's false for me, but I give you some other explanation in some other video, which the parts is following this one. So thank you for to see this video, and see you later.